those are the last seen pictures on camera of Renuka Swamy, where he, of course, goes to work there at that pharmacy that he was working at. This was on Thursday. Friday, he doesn't go to, work. And eventually on Saturday is when he was abducted from Chitradurga and allegedly brought to Bengaluru, where the assault was carried out.
Second CCTV that we are talking about, according to cops, this is from the time when Renuka's body in fact was disposed. The cops suspect that the cars were used to dispose of the body. Remember, he was brought to a shed, he was tied and beaten up with wooden sticks. This is that CCTV that has been accessed by the cops and that captures the movement of two cars. According to the cops, this is from the time when the cars were used to dispose of the body.
Times now has accessed Swamy's autopsy report. Now the post-mortem reveals some extremely disturbing and chilling details. More than 15 severe wounds were found on the body. Private parts of the victim were targeted as well. Injury marks have been found on the genitals and head as well of the body. Bleeding was seen near his genitals and abdomen. Reasons for the death, reportedly trauma to body. Face and jaw has been eaten by dogs as well, and there is a possibility of some extreme assault which was done using a piece of wood.
Now the uproar continues over the murder case as farmer groups are also now staging a protest in Mandya against Darshan. Farmers are demanding that actor Darshan be hanged. Anger against the case, demanding strict action against the actor over the murder case. Anger now spilling onto the streets with several protesters hitting the streets, asking the police to take stringent action against the actor over his alleged involvement.